How to download Canva image in high quality. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download Canva image in high quality. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for canva.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Canva. Here, go ahead and make sure you are signed in, and once signed in, create a design that you want to download in high quality. Go ahead and make the changes you want, and once you are done making the changes, tap on the share button on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for a download. Tap on that. Now to download Canva image in high quality, you need to have Canva Pro. Without Canva Pro, you will not be able to download the images of higher quality and will be able to download images of only 1080p. But if you have Canva Pro, but the images will be downloaded in higher quality. So if you have Canva Pro, then slide the size slider you see there and adjust the slider to your desired resolution and tap on the download button. And this is how you can download Canva image in high quality. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.